If you're trying to build a budget welding setup, this is my mobile one. Maybe you could get some ideas off of here. I am not a professional welder. First thing that we have is we have an auto darkening hood from Hobart. I've had it for over 10 years. I paid maybe $130 for it a long time ago. This one right here is just a shaded, your basic shaded hood. I got this one for free. This right here is an extension cord in 220. It's about 50 feet in length. It's the only thing from Yes Welder that I own. This right here is just a basic extension cord. Heavy duty. This right here is a respirator mask that I did get off of Temu, and it's worked great. I keep it on the trailer for painting purposes. This right here is actually the Harbor Freight trailer. I paid about $400 for it, and I actually did get it on sale. Now I did have to add this little folding out jack stand for it, so that way it could stay level. These jack stands, I got them on Temu for $54, and they work great. That I actually bought 2 more of them. If you do decide to get one, I'll put a link in. Whenever they come in, the boxes are absolutely beaten and mangled because they just come like that. They come ready to go, just in some bubble wrap. And you can just pull it on out and they're ready to go. Now for my generator, I have the 13,000 watt Predator. I've seen other people run the same machines with the 4,000 watt generator, I believe, from Predator. And this cost me, I think, $1,200 with taxes and all. And I could run almost anything with it. It works great. Now, you did see the army of grinders. I have a lot of grinders because I don't like swapping out the heads. And I do have one that is battery powered, which is going to be that one from DeWalt. It's always worked great. I have this Lasco work fan that I paid, I believe, about $55 to $60. This thing right here will help you stay cool while you're welding and anything like that. I really recommend you all getting one of these. This right here is what you call weld clean, and I use it for the flux core welder only. This is my Hercules chop saw. Cuts almost everything I threw at it. This right here is the titanium flux core wire welder. And this right here also runs great. Titanium flux 125. I am running the 30035 wire in it, and it works great. It puts a lot more material down faster. Then I got the Vevor plasma cutter on this trailer. This little thing, it's absolutely amazing. Under $200. I'll put a link in it in the description for you all. And I run it with this rigid pancake compressor. It's a 6-gallon. Works really good for running that plasma cutter. It's basically an adapter, and this is what plugs into it at the 240. It plugs in here, so then you can just get your extension cord that's right there, or even your machine like I've been doing because I haven't had to go too far. And this right here, titanium stick 225. This works great. I did have to upgrade the ground and the electrode holder to the Lenco ones, and they work a lot better than what they came with. The titanium flux core, the ground is actually really good for what you're using it for. I haven't had any issues with the ground yet, like I did with the titanium stick. Now in here we just have basics. We got some rods, we got some grinding heads, measuring tape, a square. You're gonna need one of these. I do have the gauger, like the regular, this is the wire gauger. I do have the metal gauger for my flex core, but I have it on my keychain. This right here, I got it on Temu. It's just a whole bunch of soapstones. I got this hood just in case if I ever forget my hat, and I've only had to use it one time. Works good. I got extra ground wires in here. This right here is the little wire that they tell you that if you want to be plugging into the 120 volt. I don't recommend it. If you plan on doing better work, you're gonna want to be running off the 220. We got this pipe templates. We got this pipe centering tool, and I got both of these off of Temu. This right here was only 20 bucks off of Temu. And if you go on there, maybe they might be in stock, but these cheaper ones sell out super fast. And I just have a whole bunch of random stuff in here. Nozzle jet, whole bunch of clamps, vices. I got another square. And wire cutters, channel locks. And I do have, this right here is the Central Pneumatic 4x4 fire blanket. I haven't used it yet. Well, I have, but very lightly. So I can't tell you too much about it. And you are definitely gonna need some hearing protection if you're gonna be running this.